Welcome, dear viewers. Today, we want to present a new perspective, the aims of the Ocalan Academy of Social Sciences. The Ocalan Academy of Social Sciences defines as a system of democratic civilization the school of social science that assumes the study of the existence and development of social nature on the basis of moral and political society. Democratic civilization is a system of thought and a set of moral principles and political organs. This system is both a power and foundation of thought and a power of construction and practical application. The Ocalan Academy of Social Sciences deepen, define, make visible and spread the democratic, ecological, women's liberationist paradigm by determining the theoretical research methods of this field. It aims to provide a philosophical and ideological direction against the problems of mentality and understanding that lie at the basis of the construction problems of the system of democratic confederalism. In line with this goal, the Ocalan Academy of Social Sciences organizes itself in Syria, the Middle East and North Africa, particularly in North and East Syria, to deepen, promote and disseminate the paradigm of democratic modernity. It also conducts research and studies to find solutions to the religious, ethnic, ecological, economic, militarist, nationalist, social, and women's problems in Kurdistan, the Middle East, and in the rest of the world. We've now reached the end for this topic. Don't forget to follow us for more content. All the best. Until next time.